Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and we are Simply Cooking. And if you're new to this channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we are Simply Cooking, so we are cooking some chili today because it's getting kind of warm, cold outside. So our ingredients that we're going to be using some 92% and 8% lean hamburger. So I got that over there. We're also going to be mixing the hamburger with some ground turkey breast. This 99%. We also have I chopped up a medium onion and a green bell pepper and a very small tiny yellow bell pepper also because I had some left over in the refrigerator. Our seasonings that we're going to be using, we're going to have some garlic powder. We got some meat tenderizer, and this is unseasoned. You can use the seasoned one if you want, but I just use the unseasoned one. We also have some Total Seasonings by Lawry's. And we got some sugar over here. And we have this mild chili seasoning pack that we use. If you don't want to use this, you can always use your regular spices, spicy cumin, the cayenne pepper, the what else do they have in it? The chili powder and the garlic, all that stuff. But I just use this because all those spices are already in that pack. We also have some diced tomatoes, and this is the chili ready one. We have some tomato paste, some red beans, we have some pinto beans, and we have some tomato sauce. We also going to be using some beef broth. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm turning this on to medium high. And we're going to put some olive oil in there. And we're going to go ahead and put our veggies in there. Our onions and our bell peppers. Want to get those juices going. And we're going to cook those for about 2 or 3 minutes. This is going to be a big old pot of chili. I'll let that cook 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to put the hamburger in there, and this is 1 pound. And we got our turkey. And that is also 1 pound of our ground turkey. Mixing all that up. And now we want to add in our seasonings. So I'm using that mild pack of the chili seasoning. I got my meat tenderizer that I'm putting in there. garlic powder. Some of that seasoning, the Total Seasoning by Lori, and we got some sugar. And just going to use half of the other pack. So I'm going to stir this up. Just browning this. Go ahead and put the rest of it in there. So I got 2 packs of that McCormick seasoning. So now I want to put my tomato paste in there. And it's the 6 ounces. So I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we can put in our beans. Okay, we're going to be putting the beans in here. Got pinto beans, and I drained those. Ooh. I'll go ahead and put the tomatoes in here. Tomatoes. And we're going to put some chicken broth in there. I mean, not chicken broth, beef broth. I'm sorry. That's about 2 cups. And I'm just going to stir this up. See? Looking pretty good. And I'm going to put some tomato sauce in here. And that is an 8 ounce of tomato sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and put another one in there also. Just going to put a little bit more of the beef broth. So that's about 3 cups of beef broth that I put in there. See? Looking pretty good. And we're going to turn this down to medium-low. We are going to simmer that for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it will be all finished. Now we'll come back and I will show you how it's going to look. Okay, so the chili is finished and I took it off the stove for I can let it cool off before I do our taste test. I'll put it in this bowl. Still hot though. Ooh! so yummy. All right. Put that lid back on. Look. Looks so yummy. We got tomatoes, pinto beans, ground hamburger, the turkey, the onions, the bell pepper, the seasonings, and your special diced tomatoes. Alright, so I like to put cheese on mine. You don't necessarily have to do it. You can eat your chili how you want to eat your chili. But I put cheese on mine. And I like mine spicy. So I got some jalapeno peppers here. Put some of those on top. Ooh. Woo! Alright. We're gonna taste test. See if I did a good job. Got that cheese, that jalapeno pepper. Get some of that ground turkey. Still kind of hot. This is so good. Woo! I gotta get another bite. Yep. I'm proud of myself with this. But this is an easy, fulfilling recipe, and it's nice right for the fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That is it. That is all, and I will see you on my next video.